Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today we're going to unbox this bead kit from 1996. I'm going to show you the front here. And if you've been watching this series for a while, this is very similar to the first unboxing. This came out, I think a year later than that one. It has some different beads in it, but it's the same brand and the same shape. And you could see 96 right there. And this does have a tear in the back. Here's the back. So we'll just go ahead and, it's already started. Might as well. Plastic. I'm gonna flip this over. Okay, it is taped on the sides. Well, the scissors. Well, maybe. Oh no. Let's just see if I can get it. Oh my goodness. I can't get this. Oh, there we go. Oh, goodness. Hey, the one from 95 came with a tray in it. This one doesn't have a tray. Okay, well, let's start with these. Hearts and stars, neon, and glitter pony beads. Those glitter beads have a lot of glitter. Those are pretty. I feel like this doesn't belong. Is that on the picture? I mean, I guess kind of. Is that supposed to be these? Those are... Huh. There's like seed beads. These are cute. Some small circles. Some earrings. We have a little bit of cord. And let's look at this. Whoa, this says 1990 on it. Well, I don't even know what's the front here. We'll just look at all of it. Alphabet Factory. Ooh. What's that? Sand jewelry. So these are all the other activity kits. I'm like, do I have that one? Scrunchie maker. Cool. Oh, that's neat. Okay, so I'm like, I feel like these do not belong in here. Anyone else? Like, it's not really matching the colors. Very tiny. Hopefully I can find a use for these. They're like dark green and like some pastel colors. Yeah. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'll see you next time.